there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On the left, we have the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum, and on the right, we have the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S. Buckle up because this is going to be one dirt-busting showdown. First things first, let's talk about the price. The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum comes in at a wallet-friendly $599. Reviewers appreciate its value for money, especially given its strong cleaning capabilities on hardwood floors. On the other hand, the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S is priced at a whopping $999. Reviewers feel that while it's expensive, its advanced features like self-washing and powerful suction make it worth the investment. So if you're looking to save some bucks, Shark's already got a leg up. Alright, let's talk about suction. Shark claims to have incredible suction, and reviewers note that it performs well, especially on hardwood floors and low-pile carpets. However, the DEEBOT flexes with an unbeatable 11,000 pascals suction power. Reviewers rave about its powerful suction and its ability to avoid hair tangles. In terms of sheer power, DEEBOT takes the crown. Ever spent an afternoon detangling hair from your vacuum brush? DEEBOT's got your back with its zero-tangle technology, which means no more hair-pulling frustration. Shark also has a self-cleaning brush roll that's great for pet hair, and reviewers appreciate this feature. However, DEEBOT's anti-tangle feature is like having a personal hairdresser for your vacuum, making it a standout in this category. Now, let's get wet and wild with mopping. DEEBOT comes equipped with True Edge Adaptive Edge Mopping that promises to clean every nook and cranny with 1 mm accuracy. Reviewers love its mopping capabilities, calling it a multitasking marvel. Shark, meanwhile, sticks to its vacuuming guns and doesn't venture into mopping territory. So if you're looking for a multitasking marvel, DEEBOT's your guy. Both our contenders have self-emptying features, but Shark's base holds up to 60 days of dirt without needing those pesky disposal bags. Reviewers find this feature highly convenient, though it can be noisy. DEEBOT's OMNI station is a multitasking beast that even hot air dries itself. Reviewers appreciate the advanced features, but note that the base is quite large. Both have their pros and cons, but DEEBOT's self-care routine is more advanced. When it comes to navigation, Shark uses 360 degrees LiDAR vision to map your home and avoid obstacles. Reviewers find its mapping capabilities efficient and reliable. DEEBOT's True Detect 3D and True Mapping 2.0 take it up a notch, making it extremely precise in navigation and obstacle avoidance. Reviewers are impressed with its ability to map out homes with precision, making it the superior navigator. Both vacuums support voice control, but DEEBOT takes it to another level with OKYIKO and even foot touch commands. Reviewers find this feature highly convenient and futuristic. Shark integrates seamlessly with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, and while reviewers appreciate this, DEEBOT's additional control options make it the more versatile option in this category. Both Shark and DEEBOT have received praise from reviewers. Shark is lauded for its value for money, strong performance on hardwood floors, and efficient mapping. DEEBOT, on the other hand, is praised for its powerful suction, advanced mopping capabilities, and innovative features. While Shark is a great budget-friendly option, DEEBOT offers a premium experience with cutting-edge technology. So there you have it, folks. Both Shark and DEEBOT are incredible in their own rights. Shark is the budget-friendly hero with solid features, while Deebot is the high-end, all-singing, all-dancing superstar. The choice is yours. Which one gets your vote? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart buys. Product links are in the description. Until next time, stay savvy, stay smart,